Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add a doctor's signature. The function of this feature creates efficiency and saves time and allows for signature consistency in all documents that requires a signature for safety and security purposes. Signatures can only be accessed and used by the use of a PIN. Let us go over how to add a doctor's signature. From the diary screen, choose the desired booking. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the clinical button. The clinical screen will open. From the clinical screen sidebar, the user is able to either click one of the easy events, or alternatively, choose the form to use out of the Forms library, which can be accessed by clicking on the Forms library drop-down. If the user chooses the function from the library, it will be a duplicate function. Click on the Sick Note form in the drop-down menu. Please note, all open clinical forms of the selected patient will show in the Active Forms section. Please note the doctor's signature is not needed for all clinical forms, only for documents that require verification. Next, let us go over adding a signature. At the bottom of the clinical form, click on the doctor's signature button that is indicated by a big plus icon. The signature capture screen will open. If the practitioner's PIN number has been set up, the user is able to enter it in the Enter Your PIN text box. Please note, if the user has not set up the PIN and signature, the user will have to add it manually each time and will not be able to see this button. Click on the Load User Signature to upload the practitioner's signature to the document. Please note, if the user didn't set up the Load User Signature button, the user will have to set it up manually. An attention pop-up will appear asking the user for a practitioner's PIN. The attention pop-up will disappear, and the signature will now appear on the document in place of the plus icon. The attention pop-up will keep popping up until the user loads the signature onto the system. Alternatively, if the user has done the setup, the user may simply enter the practitioner's PIN in the Enter Your PIN field. Enter the practitioner's PIN in the field. Click on the Load Signatures button displayed as a PIN. When the practitioner's signature has been set up, a green notification will appear to advise Signature Set. The signature will be loaded onto the form. If the user is satisfied with the document, the user may print or email the document, and the practitioner's signature will display at the bottom of the page. Remember to click on the Save and Close button once the user is completely done with a clinical document. For more information regarding the doctor's signature, please refer to the General Settings user manual linked in this video's description. Lastly, how to upload a signature from an external file. Click on Upload from File to import an image from a file on the user's computer. Click on the Choose File button and navigate to the image of the user's signature on the user's device. Click on the Open button to upload the image to the system. The image the user selected will open in the video capture screen. If the user prefers to cancel and return to the settings screen, the user may click on the Close button. Or, if the user wishes to save the image, the user may click on the Save button. An attention pop-up will appear asking the user for the practitioner's PIN. If the user's save was successful, the user will receive a notification to say that the signature was added or updated successfully. The settings screen will open. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen without saving. Or if the user prefers to save the settings, the user may click on the Save button to return to the diary screen.